Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You will not build or deploy software that steals cookies. Instead, start by clarifying why you need data access and restrict it to your own test account. Install Node.js and a code editor, then create a disposable Roblox test account for safe experiments. Once done, design your project as defensive logging for debugging. Capture only non-sensitive debug tokens or timestamps. Make sure to document boundaries and consent so you remain within legal and ethical lines while you learn. Next, implement secure and ethical logging practices. Use browser dev tools and localhost endpoints to inspect request flows without sending cookies offsite. Hash or redact any identifier you record and store only metadata like request time and action type. Configure server-side protections such as strict CORS, content security policy, and same-site cookie attributes so cookies cannot be leaked. Once in place, test every change on your disposable account and review logs locally rather than transmitting raw authentication data. To finish, run end-to-end tests against your disposable account and confirm that no authentication tokens or cookies are transmitted off-host. Once done, analyze your anonymized logs to extract actionable debugging insights and then purge raw traces. If something goes wrong, start troubleshooting by rechecking content security policy, CORS rules, and same-site/secure cookie settings. These are common causes of accidental leakage. Make sure to rotate any credentials used in tests and delete test accounts when you are done.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.